Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. I'm making another recipe for bachelors. They requested me to make some recipes for them without going through so many spices. So I bought the commercial spice. You can buy any brand. I just picked it up, this one. So I'll just put this masala in there, in the ground beef. Whatever the packet says, put it half because that's going to be very spicy. I'll just put it like that, as much I think is good for me. So just like that. And some garlic ginger paste, half a spoon. Yes, you don't have to have shish kebab masala. I'm using shish kebab masala. You can use chipli kebab masala, that's also good. You can use other different kind of masalas, any kind of masalas, kebab masalas, and you can make burgers with that. It's very tasty, it's very good. Or maybe you can just make it like a kebab, and in the shape of kebab you can put in the paratha or roti or something, naan. You can roll it in there and put some onions and cucumbers and some lemon juice. That's going to taste good too. So we are going to make it as a burger patties today. So you can put in the bun, or maybe you can just eat with the salad. Okay, let's go see all the other ingredients what we need to add it in there. Okay, so to that we're gonna add some onions, finely chopped onions, and green pepper if it's optional. And if you like the flavor of cilantro, you can also add cilantro, but I'm not adding because my son don't like it. So I'm just gonna mix this. I'm making it for him because whenever I come to his house, I make few things and put in his freezer, so he have some food for. You don't have to go after work outside looking for the food. So we'll make some patties, put in the freezer. Okay, we're gonna let it sit this for a few minutes, then we'll make burgers. Okay guys, we're gonna be making few in the air fryer, and we're gonna make few in the pan. I have this. If you don't have it, you can make it with a hand. I'm just gonna spray a little bit so it don't stuck to the little device. We'll take my size burger meat. Okay, if you don't have that, you can just make it like that, press it, but I do have it, so I'm just gonna put it in here, press it down, pack it a little good. Or I have this to make a little design on it. I want to press it, so see, you can go other way around, so you can make some nice design on it. It's a burger, nice burger. So we'll remove it from here, and if you want it, let's see how nice and thick. So we will put this in the pan. We'll make few in the pan, and we'll make few in the air fryer. Okay guys, if you don't have this device, don't worry about it. You can only take this meat like this and make a little ball and put it in this one of the plate like that. Make sure there's no cracks in there, otherwise it will break. See, you put it like this. Okay, and take another plate and just put it on top of it. Gently press it down, making like this. See, perfect burger is ready. Okay, let's go put in the pan. One I'm gonna put in the pan, another two I'm gonna put in the air fryer. Okay, you can use any kind of oil, just you need a little bit, so I'm using a little spray. And we'll take this burger and put it on top of it, and put it on medium flame for 5 minutes. Okay, and let's go see another one we're gonna put in the air fryer. Okay, we'll put a couple in the air fryer. like this. Put in the air fryer. Okay, we put 2 in the air fryer, if you can see that. Okay, and we are gonna go ahead. It's not 370. We are gonna put it on temperature. Lower the temperature. It's on 370. We're gonna go to 300, and then we are gonna go to temperature 10. So in 10 minutes it will be done. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it's been 2 minutes. Cook one side. Flip it. Other side. Looks beautiful. We're gonna cook for 2-3 minutes the other side too. Okay. Okay, friends. Our burger in the pan is ready. See, it's cooked both sides. Really good. So let's go see air fryer burgers. What are they doing? Okay. Okay, friends. Burgers in the air fryer also ready. It's been 10 minutes. It took them a little longer to be done than the pan. See, look, yummy. Okay, friends, our burgers are ready. You can even make in the air fryer or in the pan. They'll taste same and they'll look same. So okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Okay, see you next video. Bye.